frosting and decorating for a holiday bake-off. Food and nutrition students at Beaufort High School are taking part in a cupcake competition. It's similar to the Food Network's hit TV game show, Cupcake Wars. The students are in teams, baking, decorating, and making displays for their tasty treats. The theme? Create a holiday Candyland. Students baked all the cupcakes from scratch and are really having fun creating their holiday themes.
We made chocolate chip and marshmallow cupcakes, and we put white buttercream frosting on them. And our display is the mint before Christmas, so we sprinkled mints on top of the icing as well.
So we made our frosting and we put it on top to represent the bottom of a snowman, and then we put 2 more marshmallows on top, sticking them together with frosting and coloring their faces with chocolate syrup. And they're going to be walking in a winter wonderland.
Some students are even using movies to inspire their themes.
We did Willy Wonka. So each one of these cupcakes, like a random one, has like some filling in it that's gold, so it's like supposed to be the golden ticket. But to confuse people, we put like a little golden ticket on each of the cupcakes.
It's the golden tickets. We have made chocolate-based cupcakes, and then we are going to swirl white and red peppermint frosting on top. I put a lot of red dye in there. So we made the movie Elf theme. We have a little Will Ferrell in our little box, and we did it peppermint based, so we made the candy cane forest, and we have a little pond with the narwhal, and we have a little snowman and a gingerbread house.
The cupcake displays will be judged on taste, presentation, and best use of the holiday theme.
Is the texture of the cake good? The flavor of the icing, does it taste pleasant? Is the display attractive and neat? And of course, did they execute their theme? You know, they have to come up with a title, and they have to have some cohesiveness about from the flavor all the way down to the design.
The displays will be set up in a window in the hallway so the entire student body can vote for their favorite designs. And teachers will be judging the taste of the cupcakes. The winning team will receive gift cards to the kitchen store, Cook on Bay in downtown Beaufort. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.